Today is Monday, March 18th of 2024. You see, we did several trades on our main option trading account. First, we bought to close the two PYPL April 19th, $52.50 cash care put options for 10 cents per share. So we were at our profit target of 80 to 85%, so decided to go ahead and close that out. In addition to that, it's hitting up against this green 50 moving average on this weekly chart here, as you see in the bottom right. However, we have made a higher low here, so we'll have to see if we can push that moving average to make a higher high. PayPal is definitely a company I'm comfortable trading in. We'll look to go back in with a new position as soon as possible. All right, then we sold two more of the VZ April 19th, $38 cash care put options. We got 40 cents per share. So just a little more room to add to our Verizon position, and now we're at a full position. And the reason why I decided to do it, well, it continues to find support above our $38 strike price, which is right at the red tuna moving average on this daily chart. It has filled this gap from back in here in, what was in January. However, it does appear that the green 50 moving average has now failed to hold support, but this $39 area is still holding. So we'll have to see if that continues to hold. Notice it corresponds almost exactly with this high going back here into December. Big high volume, red down day on Friday, extremely high volume, almost twice or three times the normal volume. However, it can still come down another $1.80 per share before it approaches our $38 cash care put option strike price. And notice that area is also right at this green 50 moving average on the weekly chart. So overall, some areas that should serve as support. Do notice over the past several weeks, volume was increasing as Verizon had 3 down weeks, although last week was pretty much a doji. It didn't go anywhere. And then finally, we sold one of the GL April 19th 105 cash care put options. Got $1.45 per share. A company I believe is a little bit discounted here, but it was a very difficult order to get filled because there's not much open interest. So one of the more challenging ones I've had here recently. So if you don't like dealing with low open interest options, that this might not be one you want to consider. However, it had a big decline going back just a couple weeks ago. Notice it's declined over 11%, and it's now at an area that if you look at this longer time frame trading channel, it's been in since the end of 2021. It finds itself there, and it did find support. Notice it was big volume these 2 down days, but that declined. And then on Friday, had a really high volume green up day. Today, decent volume above average. However, lower than the other 2 red down days, but it now is below the red trend moving average on this daily chart. And that now appears to have served as resistance for it Friday and today. So we'll have to see what happens. However, what we did, let me go over here to our weekly chart. So you can see that, again, notice the upward sloping trading channel. We're at the bottom of that trading channel, so I like that. And notice that we sold the 105 strike, so you still have plenty of room for it to come down. Come down $11.62 before our 105 strike is challenged. That 105 strike is also right at this red tuna moving average on this weekly chart. So overall, a company I like. I like the value. I like where we're at in the trading channel, and we'll look to add to this if given the opportunity. So that's all of our trades for today. I hope you have a great evening.